Thank you for joining us and let's spot some gators together.
Big gator hanging out, and they got a bunch of smaller ones there. The bigger ones usually the male, and the smaller ones females. But there is no way to gender them by looking at the outside because, keep it simple, they don't have like alligator boobs or anything like that. But they have a hole called a cloaca on the bottom where if you want to know what it is, you have to probe them. They don't come out here and pay me enough to violate alligators. So, well, they had nothing about. So, while I'm able to get a gator by the boat, we all have a chance at seeing early on in the tour. Perfect time to give y'all some picture opportunities. Also, it's a lot easier to explain basic info about gators if we can actually see an alligator.
He's so
I'm
cool.
trying to get them on both sides of the boat so everybody can see, guys. I promise you, no matter what side you're always on the wrong side. Yeah, I'm gonna spin the boat around. Everybody's gonna have a chance at okay, guys. Usually a 4-foot gator is 4, 5-foot gator is 5. Young and small, really simple. And when they hit that 6-year point, they're going to start to mature, and their growth rate slows down from the foot per year to an inch or two per year, but they never stop growing as long as they're alive. So let's say we see like a 7-footer, probably. Actually, so here, I know the Mississippi River is closer, but there's levees and lock systems, so we don't have a flow of water from the north out here. Our tide is more affected by the Gulf of Mexico than anything. Yeah, that's a little guy. But, so, I mean, it is fresh water back here, but it's not like salt, it's not like ocean water, but we're close enough to the river when they open up that lock to get that flow of fresh water, but it's not really like our main source of water here. No, not out here. You stick your hands in the wrong hole, it could be a gator den or it could be a snapping turtle den. We might be crazy white people. We're not that kind of crazy white people.
What's that? Look, Bart. This thing.
Alright guys, you might feel a slight little kind of nudge in a second.
I come home, I don't have it, she kills me.
Yeah, we bought it on the disco.
It's easy, I'll hold the tail for you.
Just a reminder that it's better to bring on heavy jackets and blankets on the board because it was super windy and super cold and we missed that.